So for this problem, we're going to solve the quadratic equation by factoring. So depending on the type of problem that you're given, it's going to depend on how you're going to begin the factoring. So for this particular problem, the first thing I notice is we have two terms, okay, but we do have a GCF in either of those two terms. So that's where I'm going to start my factoring with. Out of 10 and 6, we have a 2 in common, so I'm going to pull that out. And out of x squared and x, we have an x in common. Remember that we're supposed to take the lowest exponent out of the two. So the GCF is 2x. Pull that out. Again, pull it out to the front. Divide it from the equation to see what's going to belong in the parentheses. When we divide, 10 over 2 gives us 5. X squared over x is an x. Minus 6 over 2 gives us a 3. And this x over this x is going to cancel out. So when we pull out the 2x, we get the 2x times 5x minus 3. Once you have your problem factored, which we do, we have it factored out, we put out the 2x, 5x minus 3 here in our parentheses, we can't factor this any further. So we do have our two factors here. At this point, we can use the zero factor property, which tells us that we can take these two factors, separate them, split them up. Let me write that over here. Take the 2x, take the 5x minus 3, set them each equal to 0 and solve. Treat them as if they're their own equations. For this one, all you have to do is divide by 2 and you get that x is 0. That is one of your solutions. This other one over here, solve the equation. So add that 3 to both sides, divide by the 5, and you get that x is equal to 3/5.